I don't know why it did it, but it did. Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. I am lefty. I am righty. Today, we're going to try to make some tortellini from scratch. I don't know, I might stuff them. I don't know. Right now, we're just getting ready to make the dough. So what you need here for this is, we're going to take our mixer bowl, sifter. I'm going to put 3.5 cups flour in here, sift it. Alright, getting there. Okay, pretend that's all sifted. I'm not going to fuck with that too much anymore. Set this in here. Dingo wants to go outside, of course, because he thinks that Papa's recording something. Go outside, puppy. Okay, so we got 3.5 cups of sifted flour. That's going to make a lot of dough. That's okay. I think I can freeze some of it. Holy crap, that's going to make a lot of dough. Okay, so what you got next? We got 4 eggs. 4 eggs. Going to go in here. I'm tempted to cut that in half, actually. Hang on a minute. I got to think about this. Okay, folks, I've thought it over. I'm cutting it in half. I don't need that many tortellinis. I'm the only one that eats them in the house. So I've taken the 3.5 and cut it to 1 3/4 cups of sifted flour in the bowl. See? So that's going to take it from 4 eggs. Now I just got 2 eggs I need. So I've got 1 3/4 cups of flour in the bowl, sifted flour. I'm going to put 2 eggs in it. Like this. Like that. Okay, then this goes on here on the stand mix with the paddle attachment. Now I don't know that you can see the stand mix. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Alright. Up we go. And here it goes. Ease it on first to speed 1. Is that 2? Wow. Then it says to go to speed 2. That's what we're going to do then. Let that go for a minute. Start adding some water to it. Teaspoon or a tablespoon at a time. Tablespoon might even do it. Just got to let it pull together into a dough. Now we're looking good. I think we got her. Okay, now what we're supposed to do is take this out. Like this. I'm going to put the dough hook on here. Like this. And this dough hook is going to go at speed 2. And that's going to go for a couple of minutes. And dough hook itself like this. I'm going to work its way around in there with the dough hook for a couple of minutes. I'll see you in a couple of minutes, folks. Okay, folks, and we are back. Now we're going to take our dough out of here. Comes out nice and easy here. And we're going to knead this by hand for maybe about 30 seconds or so. Just kind of knead it together here like this. And you push like that, and roll forward and push. Roll forward and push. Turn it this way, do the same. Kind of put heels of your hands, the backs of your hands, and squish and roll like this, like this. Squish and roll, squish and roll. That's going to do the glutons. Build them up. See, it's getting smooth, kind of. Roll this like that around, knead it together like this, real nice. It might even need a little bit more water by the time it rests. Alright. There we go. Cover that with a towel. That sits there for 10 minutes or so, folks. And just let it rest. We're done with the bowl. So I will wash this mess up. And I will see you back here when this has rested for about 10 minutes. And I will throw the pasta roller thingy out, and we'll flatten this out into a... And we'll make tortellinis. And welcome back to even a higher altitude of Hands On with BLG, back in the kitchen making our tortellinis from Homemade Tortellinis. Now what we're going to do, this isn't too bad. This has been sitting here resting, as you can see here. Those been resting for about 15 minutes. I'm working on another episode outside. We're getting ready to do an attempt to do a decent brisket today too. So we're going to put a little bit of flour on our counter here. Just a little bit, like this. We're going to put a little bit up here on our pasta roller. Like that, see? Counter pasta roller. I have an episode showing you how to use the pasta roller already. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to take about half of this dough, about like this, about half of it, smash it out like this, get it kind of flat, and I'm going to send it to this here pasta roller on setting 1, which is the widest setting. I think it goes to speed 5. I'm going to see if this will go through without breaking. Yes, 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 yes. Hooray! Okay, now we fold it in half. I want to send him through again. A little bit here, a little bit of flour on it, not much. Send him through again. Yay, step 1 complete. I'm going to do it one more time because it tried to grab for some reason. Put a little more flour on the rollers. Beauty, beauty. There we go. Then we're going to go to step 2, setting 2. Roll them down. Setting 2 there. We're getting real nice now. Then we go to 3. Yes, beautiful. Look at that. Then we're going to go to 4. Whee! Then I'm going to go to 5. I think I'm going to go one more round. Shot at 5. Brush this excess off here. Look how long. Yes, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, silky dough. Now we're talking. Look at this bad boy. This is the 50-yard line. Look how long this thing is. All over here, right? And it goes from here, it comes down, and ends on this side of the cabinet. So, now we've gotten this far. Here's what we're going to do. We take, I think this is a 2.5 inch, where are we? I have a 2.5 inch biscuit cutter here. It's supposed to be like a 3, but I don't have anything bigger. Oh God. Heartburn. In fact, I'm going to, where's that towel? I'm going to cover this dough back up. Okay. So we have that sitting over here. 3.5 inch biscuit cutter. Right chop. Right chop. Nice skinny dough. What I got here is some Italian sausage in a bowl, like this. I'm trying to get where you can see better what I'm doing. So there's the end right here. Here's my Italian sausage. I need a little bit of, here's a cup. I need a little bit of water in a cup. And these don't come out beautiful. I've only made them twice. But they work. So we're going to take, like this, and we're going to cut us out a nice circle shape from our dough. Like that, right, y'all? Like that. And nice skinny little shape like this. I'm going to throw that on the floor so, you know, because I can wash it. So here's our little circle, right? Chow, right? Wash this real quick. Get them dry. Okay, we're back. Okay, so we got our little circle here. I'm going to put a little bit of less sausage in it if I can quit shaking around. See, look at that shaking. Okay, something like this. Kabam! Nice little, and a little bit of water. You go over half of your thing, like this. Put around here, like that. Tuck him over. Like that. Make sure all your filling is in there. Didn't poke through this time either. Good, good, good. Get your air bubbles out of it. Like that. Okay. Fold him over like this. Top goes this way. Bottom goes this way with a little touch of water. Like this. Look at there. Got another little tortellini. Just like that. I'll show you one more and I'm going to go ahead and finish them up. The rest of that dough I'm probably going to save, I'm guessing. See how many I get here. Got your little thing. Got your little piece of sausage. Like that. That's probably going to be too much for this little circle. You could actually probably go up to a 4-inch circle if you wanted to, I would imagine. With no problem. However big you want to make them. But these, closest I can get to 3-inch circles. Which works. Okay. We fold them over like this. A stick. Bam. Just like this. We get our little air bubbles out. Bam. Like that. You don't really even, I don't think, have to fold this back. You can just go like one over this way. One over this way if you want to. Get a little sticky. Stick him like that. See? You got a cute little tortellini. Look at that little fart. Isn't he cute? And you just keep going. Until you're all done with your homemade tortellinis. And that's going to make it for this episode. Now you know how to make them. Because BLG showed you how. Yes, you can do them by hand. It's really hard to get the dough this thin, but you can do them by hand if you don't mind them being a little bit thicker. No problems. So, hope you enjoyed this episode. For Hands On with BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. And I am Righty. Hit the like buttons. I appreciate all you new subscribers that just came on board. Yes, there will be more painting episodes coming up in the future. But for now, enjoy these episodes that I send out upon thee. Yes, upon thee, uponst thou. And sayonara. Have a good one, folks. Bye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.